The age-old debate of pineapple on pizza could be solved with this delicious Veggies Pizza with pineapple. Here I have my non-perforated pizza pan. I'll drizzle a little olive oil and then lay down my dough, creating a nice crust along the edges. Then I'll take my pizza sauce, lay it down on the dough, and using the back of the spoon to make a nice thin, even layer. Of course, next comes the cheese. Here I have a nice grated mozzarella. And for the toppings, it wouldn't be a veggie pizza without lots of fresh veggies. For this pizza, I'm using some broccoli florets, black olives, diced tomatoes, sliced bell peppers, some red onion, and of course the star of the show, pineapple pieces to give it a nice sweetness. Sprinkle the rest of the mozzarella cheese on top and a little bit of dry oregano, then place the pizza in the preheated oven until nice and golden brown. I like to give it a few minutes and then garnishing it with some fresh cilantro for tons of fresh flavors. And if you're not yet convinced, find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.